big point we are going to enter, as you see. Very nice one, and that's big enough. I like to see inside, but it's not sometimes easy. But see that gas was dropping us here, and we continue. Go ahead. Oh, thank you.
Oh, hello.
Hide your face, Miracle.
Why?
Look at me.
Why is she hiding?
Yeah. Trying to show that the place we are going. The bus is dropping us to the Airbus. Let me go to the Airbus.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see myself going to Kikyo. Oh, so amazing. Going home. Can't believe. Oh.